DNA results on the Nazca tomb aliens are in, they're 100% human. The DNA tests on the remains of aliens found in the Nazca tomb has been found to be 100% human. The bodies of the corpses, which only had 3 fingers, were found in a tomb close to the Nazca lines in Peru, and it was thought that they might have been a species that was undiscovered or alien life forms. The scientists could not get DNA codes from some samples that had been sent away for analysis, but DNA types had been confirmed on a hand with 3 fingers along with a sample that had been taken from brain tissue. Bodies had been made to look like aliens. Many people had hoped that the tests would reveal that they were alien life forms, as it would have been proof that aliens were real and had visited Earth. However, from the samples, scientists have now reached the conclusion that they are 100% matched to the DNA of human beings. The brain tissue and the DNA come from a male Homo sapiens, said a report from the PaleoDNA laboratory located at Lakehead University in Ontario, in Canada. The report has now been made available online. It says that the evidence from the DNA, which was the bone taken from the hand and the material from the cranial brain, suggests that they belonged to Homo sapiens. Many thought that the bodies were a species that has not been discovered or that they could have been alien life forms. However, the DNA has proven that this is not the case. Bodies could have been made to look like aliens by grave robbers. The bodies were said to have been carbon dated and go back to between 245 and 410 AD. However, scientists believed that the bodies had been made to look like alien life using remains that had been mummified by grave robbers of humans that had been buried in ancient times. This led to organizers of the 9th Annual World Congress on Mummy Studies, which was held in Peru in August last year, lashing out on Facebook to say that an official inquiry should be held into whether or not any archaeological crime was committed. Nigel Watson, a UFO investigator from Britain, said that the DNA results had shown it was a male human skull and hands, and this meant that yet another fake had been uncovered. Conspiracy theorists have not given up as easily, as it was said that perhaps it was a being that was related very closely to human beings but still came from outer space. Drive. Konstantin Korotkov said that he believes that the bodies might only be related to the DNA of humans. Korotkov has been in the limelight before when he said that he had taken a photograph of a soul leaving a body. He went on to say that the DNA analysis had proven that the body was not that of a chimpanzee or monkey, but only that it had DNA that was human-like.